Hi, I'm Peter at Gardenworks, and today I'm going to show you how to transplant your tropical from a grower's pot into a lovely ceramic pot that you've chosen. So you've chosen a pot that suits your decor. I've chosen this beautiful black straight-sided pot, nice and modern, and I've also chosen an Aglaonema because my space that I'm going to put it into is going to be fairly low light, and Aglaonemas or Chinese evergreens are perfect in low light. You want to have a bit of space at the top of your pot to allow for watering. So you want to make sure that your plant is at the right level in your container. I'm going to put a bit of soil at the bottom of my pot, and I've chosen a good indoor potting soil. And then check your level. Now comes the fun part. Removing the tropical from its current container. Put it on its side and pull it out, removing the pot. And then carefully put it back into the pot. Now you're going to fill the container between your tropical and the pot with your potting soil. I just use my hands. When you get to the end, you've got your soil almost to the top, you're tamping it down. Make sure that you have not planted your plant deeper than it was in the original pot. That is really important. You can see the soil is at the same level as it was. Thanks for watching.